Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use your 4K TV as an external monitor connected to your MacBook Pro. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a MacBook Pro, a television that can be used as an external monitor. In this tutorial, we are using a 4K Sony television. So we're gonna start the tutorial. Let's turn our attention to the MacBook Pro. On top, we have AirPlay. Click on AirPlay to Sony KD, and then we will be prompted to add a pin. If you've already done that, the second time round, you will not be required to do this. So now, to use the 4K TV as an external monitor, click on AirPlay, use a separate display, mirror built-in retina display, use as a separate display. So now let's just open up a folder on screen. I can now take this to the side, turn the attention to the television, and now this is the external monitor connected to the MacBook Pro. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.